String art is totally groovy. Now we're making it more doable, more fun, and easier to display with our CRAFT-TASTIC String Art Kit. The kit contains all the materials you need to create 3 awesome string art canvases. Use our 3 designs printed right on the foam canvases, peace, heart, and high, or create your own design on the other side. Remove the release paper covering the tape. Align the paper to the back side of the foam canvases to help prevent the pins from poking through. On a hard work surface, push the pins into each dot on the foam pattern. Keep the pins as straight as possible and don't push them into the paper vacuum. To make your own design, just sketch it on tracing paper first, then pin right through the paper. Be sure to remove the tracing paper before you start to string. Select the thread you want to start with and double knot it onto a pin. Trim the excess with scissors. Place the thread around the pins, going from pin to pin. Don't pull the thread tight and cause the pins to bend. When finished with one thread, double knot it onto a pin, then repeat the other thread colors. Try to go to a pin that you haven't been to before. You're solving a puzzle and creating art at the same time. Don't forget to go around the perimeter. And when you're done, you can hang it up or lean it to display. Be careful when handling, just in case some pins poke through the back side. Happy crafting!